Hello, hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn our next topic in chapter number 4 is paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting is divided into two sections. One is line spacing and second one is paragraph spacing. First one, line spacing. Line spacing is the amount of space between the two lines of text in a paragraph. That means the space between the lines is called line spacing. Let us see the steps. First step, select the paragraph and click on Home tab. Second step, click on the line and paragraph button in the paragraph group. Select the required number of spacing from the drop down list. In the below figure, you are seeing that step 1 is normal line spacing and step 2 it is having line spacing is 2.0 line spacing. Now I am going to show the example, a small video. First type the paragraph in your Word and select that paragraph. I selected this paragraph and click on Home tab. Under the paragraph group, this one, and select the line and paragraph spacing button. I clicked over here. Now I am going to click on the see here 2.0. Now see, before it was like this. After modification it is like this. In this way we can give the line spacing. Next one is paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is used to set the amount of space between paragraphs from left and right margins. That means let us have a look to give the space between the one paragraph and other paragraph. That is called paragraph spacing. Don't get confused. If it is line spacing means it is space between the lines, and the paragraph spacing means it is a space between the paragraphs. Let us see the steps. Click anywhere in the paragraph or several paragraphs. Click the Layout tab. Step 2. Specify the desired spacing for before and after indents left and right from the paragraph group. Let us have a look, a small video. First we need to select the paragraph. I selected this one. I typed 3 paragraphs here. First, second and third paragraph, and click on page layout. And there is indent here, paragraph spacing here, there is a indent and spacing. See here, when I am clicking left side, see the paragraph is moving to left side. When I am clicking the right side, the paragraph is moving to right side. I am keeping the default values 0 and 0, and see before spacing how much it should be there. See this much. After paragraph how much, see, you can see, that is called paragraph spacing. And line spacing means entire paragraph you will get in the Home tab only. There is a line spacing here. Each and every line should be having the 1.5 gap. See, earlier it was like this, now it is like this. In this way we can set the paragraph spacing and line spacing. Next one is setting alignment. Alignment is used to control the placement of text between margins. MS Word gives you several types of alignment, that is called left side, right side, center and justified. Step 1, select the text and click on Home tab. In paragraph group you will see the 4 alignment buttons. First is left alignment, second one is right alignment, third one is center alignment, and fourth one is justified alignment button. That means left alignment means it will align the text to left margin. Right means it will align text to right side margin. Center means it will align the text in the center of the page. Next one, just alignment button means it is used to align the text in such a way that both left and right margins are even, same, like left side same gap and right side same gap. In this way we can set the alignments. I will show the small video after the next topic. Next one is setting drop cap. Drop cap means you have might been seen textbooks and some magazines. The starting letter of the paragraph will be the bigger, like that. In this MS Word also we can set that drop cap also. Drop cap is a large capital letter at the beginning of the first paragraph an article or a document. In magazines and newspaper it is used to beautify the text document. There is a feature in MS Word. Create a large drop cap of your document. Steps to create the drop cap. First one is select the paragraph where you want to begin the drop cap. Click on Insert tab and click the drop cap from the text group. A drop down list appears. Select the desired drop cap option from the list. Now let us have the video of the setting alignment and drop cap. Yeah, see here. Now first type the paragraph and select the paragraph. Now click on Home tab and there is a paragraph. Under this paragraph group there is a first one is left alignment. The text will starts from the left side, and this is the center. The text will move to the center. You can observe here small changes. And if it is called right side, see all the paragraph starts from the right side only, and it is called justify. That means both left side and right are equal space it is giving. In this way we can alignment our text. Here middle center, and this is left, this is called justify. And next one is drop cap. How to insert drop cap? First of all, select the paragraph and click on Insert tab and go to the here text group. There is a drop cap option. Select that one and click the second option or third option, your choice. I'm selecting second option. Now see here, the paragraph starts here with the big capital letter. Now second one I want to give it here also. Insert group and Insert tab, sorry, and there is a text group here, and select the margin in margin. Now see, no matter where life takes us to. Now this paragraph also you can give, select this one, drop cap and drop. In this way you can set the drop cap feature and alignments. Next topic is finding and replacing the text. Finding and replacing the text. Sometimes after typing the text you may feel that you have written something wrong, or you need to find particular word or text in a large document and you need to replace them with some other word or text. Let us see. First one is finding the text. Click on Home tab and there will be the Find button in editing group. On the left side of the navigation pane appears. Type the word or text you want to search. Step 3, you can click the drop down arrow and click on select the advanced find. Then advanced find dialog box appears. Then type the text and you can search the whenever the search is finished it will search the whole document. Let us see the video. See here I am having this much big paragraph. Now I want to search, I want to find some words. Let us see. Click on the Home tab and there is a find option here. Click on the find and first I want to write here SWEET, sweet. See here it is finding this word. Sweet is there, only one word it is showing. It is the next I want to search ARER. See there are so many. In dearest also ARE is there. You are in care, dearest and care it is there. Now if you want to search for CARE, care, see how many words are there. First here really care and your care and take care. There are 3 words are there. And I told you that in drop down list there is a advanced search here, and dialog box appeared and I am going to write here care only, and I am clicking on the find. Next first word is here, next word it is here, and next word it is in the last paragraph. It will advanced search is used to, you go like this. See here one more time, Home tab, there is a find option. Here I am going to write here with WITH with. See there are 10 matchings are there. See, these are all words where the with is appeared. In this way we can search our document. Next topic is replacing the text. That means to replace a word or text in the document, follow the given step. First click on the Home tab, click the replace button in the editing group, click on find and replace dialog box appears, and what we need to find, first type the word and the next what we need to replace, we need to type the word or text that you want to replace with. Next one is step 5. If you don't want to replace the word everywhere in the document, then click on the find next button and click the skip the occurrence of the word. Sixth one, click replace button to replace the word. You can also click the replace all button to replace all the occurrences of the word in one go. That means at a time you can replace all the words. Next one is, and process completed, the message box appeared that, then click on OK. Learn the use of the search options in the find and replace dialog box. Click the more button in the find and replace dialog box. List of more options will be displayed. Select one of them, get the desired changes in the document. If you click on the match case, it will search for the text with a similar case, upper or lower case, like that. You can search particular word also. Now let us have the video about the replacing the text. Now look at here, I typed this much big paragraph. Now here I want to write here, search for the, replace the word with the friend with brother. For example, I am telling, now home tab, there is a replace here, a dialog box appeared. Find what we need to find? We need to find first friend, friend, okay, then replace with brother, BROTH here, brother. First find next, see here friend is there, then replace, see best brother it becomes, no matter. Next one is replace, see brothers. Next one is dearest friend, replace. If you want to replace all at a time wherever the friend will be there, then click on replace all. See, all 10 replacements has been made. Click on OK. Now let us find the friend word, friend, friend. See here, no matches found. That means all the words of friend has been turned into the brother. Now I will replace again as normal and original text document. Click on the replace, find what, brother, and replace with friend, friend, and click on the replace, replace all, 8 replacement as, click on OK. 12 replacements made, and you can see here there is no brother. See, word has reached the end of the document. The item, search of the item was not found. Do you want to continue search at the beginning? Yes. See, word has finished document. The search item was not found. That means no brother word is there. Here more options also there. There will be match case. You can, I told that match case only capital letters, words only, wildcard, sounds like English. You can search pronunciations like this, all the things, and in this way we can replace the text in the document. Okay student, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.